Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're at Robas Pumpkin Farm and we're going to be going through a couple of mazes and doing some other stuff. So now let's get to it. Hi everyone, so we made it through the maze, the Robas Mega Maze, and we got this little map. So check it out guys, we did it, we got all the stations, we got all the map pieces. Now it's time to move on to some more. Alright everyone, so I'm shooting some paintballs right now. We're going to see how well I do.
Get them moving ones.
Hi everyone. So now that we've done the paintball, all right, that was bad on my part. So now after we're done with, all right, now I don't need these headphones because I already know how loud it is. So after we've done the paintball and we've done the two mazes, now we're gonna shoot some apples.
What's up, bud?
Load it in, push it, and fire and hit the pumpkin. Push it forward. Now watch me hit the pumpkin. Boom, bullseye.
Yeah, I put one in. I put one in already.
Ah, I barely missed the cowboy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let me try shooting the pumpkin again. I'm gonna go for that cowboy. Oh, hit the pumpkin instead. Watch this go right at the ghost. Ah, it went above it.
Keep her going, keep her going.
Alright guys, I'm back home from Robas Farm, and we also picked up some of these apple cider donuts, and I'm going to try one real quick. Look at that, nice and thick. It's like cinnamon. It's nice, it's good. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, by the way, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and be sure to comment if you want me to try it, and if you want me to try more of these cider donuts. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.